Okay, hopefully you calculated that first part right. Now, we got to consider another complication. This pulley system works great in light winds, which is what we got right now. But when we get in a storm or get in some area where we got much stronger winds than this pulley system by itself is not enough. Even if I pull on here as hard as I possibly can, the wind is going to be able to put more force on there than I can do, even with that multiplier that you just calculated. So what we're going to have to do then is we're going to have to take two machines, combine them together in what we call a compound machine. And here, let me show you how that works. Okay, so let's follow this line. This is the line that we were pulling on before. Let's follow that line down and see where it leads to here. Alright, you can see it goes through another pulley, and then it goes right by this device right here, which we're not using right at the moment. This is a winch, and this allows us to get extra leverage on there for the times when our pulling on this rope by itself is not strong enough. Okay, now the way winches work is this. I put the handle on here. When I turn the handle, it turns the winch, same speed as the handle is going. Okay, so what I'm going to do then, I'm going to take this rope, I'm going to wrap it around the winch a couple times. Notice that the surface of the winch there is real rough, so it gives good friction there. Okay, I'm going to hand this to Cliff. Can you tail this for me for a sec? Thanks. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that handle back on. Okay, now when I rotate the handle, it rotates the drum and it increases my force pretty substantially. Now who can think of the things that I would need to know in order to figure out how much of a force multiplier I'm going to get from this winch? So think about it. What things would I need to measure in order to calculate how much of a force multiplier I would get out of this winch?